And your birthday party's tomorrow. Oh, wow, you got lots of bubbles. Let's see Jake.
Look at Jake,
It's his birthday boy.
Look at Jake.
Oh, you want it off?
Yeah.
But this is your birthday today. Okay.
Look at Jake.
Wow. Oh, I have a balloon.
Unclip him. You can bring him in.
No.
Oh boy,
Let's go
Cammy.
see it. Come on, Mike.
Come on.
Let's go this way.
Look, there's something in the backyard.
What does that say?
Look, what does that sign say?
You just celebrate with us today. Tomorrow's your big party.
Oh boy.
Tomorrow, go out there and look.
Over here. Come here.
Hurry, Mike. Hurry up.
Start for free today.
These days, it seems like everyone's headed to the same place.
What is that? What is that?
Hurry.
What is it?
Yay! Oh, you're welcome.
Turn it around so show Pa. You're like this.
Look, a new helicopter.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh boy.
Mommy, open it.
Okay. Ready? Let's sing happy birthday.
Yeah, let me go get the cupcake and the candle.
Okay. Let's open this one first.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh boy.
Here, yeah, I'll do it.
Look, Pa. A new picture. A helicopter. New picture. Whoop, Pa. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Fire!
Oh boy.
Why?
Look at your balloon. This side?
No, that side.
This side?
Yeah. Big balloon.
Who is that? Cammy? Cameron, who is that?
Birthday. My birthday.
What's today, Cammy?
My birthday.
That's right.
How old are you?
How old are you, Cam?
Yes.
That's right, 6. You want it on your pants? Put it back on there.
I'll put it right here.
Smile. Look at me.
See?
Where's the...
Battery?
Yeah. Here's the batteries for your new helicopter.
It's 6. There's 6.
Oh, you
Oh,
need 6?
yeah.
Oh. Here's 2 more. Okay, where's the lighter?
I don't have the lighter.
Here's the little screwdriver, and I'll go get 2 more. I'll go get 2 more.
Okay.
I thought you just needed 4. Oh, boy.
Oh boy, Cammy.
I'm trying to do a helicopter.
Cameron, smile.
See? Like,
Cameron, look at me. Cheese.
see?
Stand on the chair with Pa so I can get you both in there.
Okay.
Stand on the chair.
See?
No, stand on it, Cammy.
Oh.
Stand on the chair. Up.
Oh.
Step up. Step up. Step up. Okay, Papa, come over here.
I'm still trying to get the tape off.
Okay, here, look at me. Cameron, smile.
See?
Yeah, it's your birthday. Tomorrow's your big party with your friends.
What's that?
That says happy birthday. And that's where you're going to play pin the tail on the donkey. And they're going to play on your swing set.
Here, go by him and I'll take a picture of you guys.
What are you looking for?
The lighter.
Told you
Sorry.
it's in the house.
Here. Cameron, smile.
Happy birthday.
Smile.
Okay.
No, you gotta get down there so I can take a picture, Mom.
Hold on, let me go get the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cameron. birthday to you.
And many more. Make a wish. Blow it out.
Oh.
Good. 6. Cameron, 6.
Are you 6?
Yeah. Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Wow. Look, Anna. A new helicopter.
I see.
Oh,
As I'm
jeez.
inhaling
Oh,
carrot.
my.
Yeah, I should have brought a knife out.
Take Nana to the...
Mom,
What?
can't open it. Oh, no. To the wetsuit.
Really?
Yeah.
Pretty good setup, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Oh, boy. Can't wait. Oh, no. To the wetsuit.
To the rescue.
Yeah.
See if I'm aiming it the right way.
Mm. Mm. It's working.
What a cool helicopter. This one
Oh,
won't
boy.
break as easy.
No breaking.
Yeah, so you gotta take good care, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sounds like a deal.
Oh, we
There,
hear
in case
it
you break it.
coming.
Oh, that's nice.
I'll
Let
do
me
it.
see.
I'll
Let
do
me
it.
see it.
I'll do it, Pa. I'll do it.
You do it.
I might have to charge, Kenny.
My charge?
I
Yeah,
don't think so.
No charge.
might.
No.
Turn it on.
Turn on, Pa. Turn on.
Wait.
It is on.
It's on A or B. Let me see it.
C.
It's on C. Probably needs to charge it.
Oh.
Here, let me
Oh,
Must you charge?
see. Yeah.
move your head so I can see.
Here, Alexis.
I got it.
Okay, it's
It
has to charge.
charging.
Okay.
Okay, open all your other presents, Cammy.
Okay.
Open that
Take
one.
the screwdriver.
Right here.
Has to charge, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, doggone it.
Charge 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay.
What's that?
Mommy, open it.
You open it.
You.
Look right here. I like that.
It's tape, Dad.
I take that.
Take the tape off.
Tape, Dad.
Pa, I can't do it out. Charge 20 minutes.
Okay,
Oh, boy.
there you go.
Oh, thank you, Pa.
Oh, don't mention it.
Here, right here. Don't stick it. Keep sticking everything on the table.
Well, Cameron just stuck it on the table. See?
Oh well.
Where is it?
Don't rip it.
Just show him where the flap is.
What is it? Oh,
That's new.
What is it?
Pajamas!
Oh, thank you, Nana.
Turn it around so you can see it.
Wow.
What
No,
is
no,
it?
no. Thank you.
You're welcome!
Another plate a little bit.
Another present.
You keep in the box or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'll put them in the bag.
Oh,
This is extra rotors.
Okay.
what? Wow.
More clothes for Kimmy.
Okay.
What is it? Let's see. Look at this one.
Oh, okay.
What's this?
I'll tell you what he likes is the helicopter.
There's two. Oh, one. Go open.
Wow, more toys. What is that?
Wow!
What is that?
Ninja Turtles! Wow!
Donatello.
It's
A squirt gun. Oh, boy.
Nana!
Look at all your stuff. Here's another present.
Want me to open it?
No, I open.
Something else he doesn't
Now
want.
pull it for me.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it's a fireman coat for firemen. Look. Look. See the fire truck?
Yeah.
It's a fireman coat.
Oh, thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Cameron. You're welcome.
I
Want to try it on?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Help me see. Back one. Back one. Back one. This side. This side. This side.
Okay. Let me take this off.
Oh.
Want me to open it?
No, I'll open.
Okay. Let's see what your fireman's coat looks like on you. See the fire truck on the back?
Yeah. Wow. Hello, fireman.
Turn around, Cammy.
How cute.
Cameron, turn around. Turn around.
Oh, off.
Yeah, it's kind of hot, huh?
Oh.
Okay.
Now, open, please.
It's got snaps on it.
Open, please.
Here, I'll open.
No. Huh?
Here, I'll open it.
Here.
Here, Mom. Switch.
Wow.
Mommy got you that. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You do?
Can I see it?
Here. There's one.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you, Cammy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Cameron, here's your other one. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, I can't wait to try.
Man, am I sweating?
And so am I.
Want to grab some of the stuff?
Yeah, I'll grab it. He's running.
It's probably
Cameron, what's today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
5.
No, how old are you?
6.
You're 6. Uh-oh, Jake got away.
Thank you. Ma,